3, 2, 1.
What was so big it took 5 men to name it? The answer is D, continent. Which capital is known as the City of Flowers? The answer is C, Montreal. The island of Sebatik, located east of Borneo, is shared by Indonesia and what other nation? The answer is B, Malaysia. What genre is reggaeton? The answer is B, hip-hop. An invisible pathway that shapes continents, connects communities, and carries our dreams. What am I? The answer is D, rivers. I have cities named after me in 3 countries. What am I? The answer is D, apple. I'm light as a feather, but what I touch weighs a ton. What am I? The answer is C, bedsheet. Jerry Orbach received his first Tony Award nomination for his portrayal of Sky Masterson, in which Broadway show? The answer is A, Guys and Dolls. What was the early study of chemistry called? The answer is C, alchemy. What ocean contains the Red Sea? The answer is B, Indian. What is the river running through the Grand Canyon in USA? The answer is C, Colorado. The Mississippi River touches how many states in the U.S.? The answer is C, 30. The cathode and anode collectively are the electrodes of what? The answer is C, voltaic cell. I can make the ground white and silent. What am I? The answer is A, snow. I'm a ball you bounce, not one you throw. What am I? The answer is C, basketball. I can make you taller or shorter, depending on how many times you wear me. What am I? The answer is B, platform shoes. Who first proposed that Earth is a magnet? The answer is D, William Gilbert. Who designed the Ford Model T, often considered the first mass-produced car? The answer is A, Henry Ford. In 1983, NC State had to win the Atlantic Coast Conference tournament to be included in the National Collegiate Athletic Association field. What 3 teams did they defeat to win the tournament? The answer is D, Wake Forest, North Carolina, and Virginia. In Italian, What is the meaning of the word Gilo? The answer is A, yellow. Which is the patron saint of Scotland? The answer is D, Andrew. You turned me on to watch the latest movies and series. What am I? The answer is D, television. He was called Big Train. He was the first baseball player whose last name began with a J to be elected to the Baseball Hall of Fame. Who was he? The answer is D, Walter Johnson. Who devised the periodic table of elements? The answer is D, Dmitri Mendeleev. In what movie did Meryl Streep play a Catholic nun called Sister Aloysius? The answer is D, Doubt. I have windows but cannot see. What am I? The answer is B, building. Which vegetable is a member of the cabbage family and resembles a head of broccoli? The answer is A, cauliflower. Who has proposed that cigarette advertising in all media be banned entirely? The answer is A, anti-smoking groups. What is the disease where some alveoli of the lungs fill with fluid? The answer is C, pneumonia. Which country has the largest population in the world? The answer is B, China. In the 1994 comedy Dumb and Dumber, how many times do Lloyd and Harry say yeah while singing to Mental in the car? The answer is D, 5. I'm always right even when wrong. What am I? The answer is C, justice. The formula unit of sodium chloride dissociates into one sodium ion and one. The answer is A, chloride ion. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? The answer is B, corn. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. You can watch me from a distance, but you cannot touch me. What am I? The answer is D, painting. The priest in the novel Wolves of the Cow has appeared previously in which Stephen King novel? The answer is B, Salem's Lot. What is the name of the fictional hotel that delinquents are sent to clean up in the 2006 movie See No Evil? The answer is D, Blackwell. When were the first Barbie dolls released? The answer is A, 1959. I run fast but can't win a race. What am I? The answer is D, a bullet. What is the name of the Greek god of the sun? The answer is B, Apollo. What color was the tape on the arrow that Leeway caught in The Last Dragon? The answer is A, blue. My tears turn metal to gold. Who am I? The answer is A, Midas. What is the name for an economic system in which the means of production are owned by private individuals? The answer is C, capitalism. What is the largest truck manufacturer in the world? The answer is C, Freightliner. Dasham is the capital city of which country? The answer is C, Tajikistan. In what Super Bowl did the Minnesota Vikings make their first appearance? The answer is D, Super Bowl Roman IV. I'm tall when I stand, heavy when I hang, empty inside, and cold all around. What am I? The answer is D, bucket. I have a nose but cannot smell. What am I? The answer is B, statue. What speaks without a mouth and has no lungs? The answer is C, laptop. What is the part of a pen that contains ink called?